Hello everyone, welcome back to GeekDisorder's web series over HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and jQuery. This is Livek. I'll be walking you through this series. This video is going to be over how to code character entities. What are character entities? Sometimes you got to, in your web page, you'll want to display like the copyright symbol, the trademark symbol, the cents symbol, and the $sign, and so on. All of those are created on your web page using what we call character entities. Also, there's a couple instances like you use double quotes, you use the less than, greater than symbol in your elements and your attributes. So you really don't want to use those inside your content of your web page because it can cause problems. So to be safe, use something called character entities so no problems occur. And we'll go ahead and start out. There's quite a few of them, but we're only going to cover some of the main ones, and then I'm going to show you how you can find all the other character entities for yourself. And in order to save time, I'm going to, since we're not really going over building the web page, we're just kind of getting the building blocks out of the way, and then we're going to put it all together. I'm not going to go through the doc type, the header, HTML, the head, the body, and all that. I'm just going to put this all on inside the body or an empty web page here just to save time. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off. I'm going to go ahead and save this as a web page, and I'm going to call this text2.html. Alright. And okay, so what do these character entities look like, and how do we use them? Let's say I have a paragraph here, and I wanted to do a copyright symbol. Well, a copyright symbol looks like this. And if I save this and I run it, there's your copyright symbol. Alright. So if I have, I'm just going to put GeekDisorder here, save and run one more time. There you go. So that's your copyright symbol. And let's go ahead and take a look at this character entity. All character entities start with the ampersand sign, and then they each have their own special text that goes right here to tell the browser which one that you're using. So this right here will be the part that changes. They'll end with a semicolon. So they'll start with the ampersand, they'll end with the semicolon. Everything in between kind of varies depending on which character entity you want to use. Alright, so that's a copyright symbol. Well, what about this ampersand sign? I mean, all of our character entities start with it. So if I'm typing out a paragraph, could potentially end up being a problem if I just put an ampersand sign in there. So, true. So there is a way to do ampersand, and it is this right here. And there we go. If I run, and there's my ampersand sign. Okay, and we'll go ahead and look at a few more here. Alright, let's go ahead and look at our less than and greater than. Of course, we have our less than. That's what it looks like. Our greater than looks like that right there. Go ahead and save and run. And you see, we got them right there. Alright, and let's see, a couple more. We have here's one. Here's a special one. Alright, this text needs some extra spacing, and I'm going to put this extra spacing at the beginning. And if I just do this right here, just hit my keyboard, I save this and I run it, well, that extra spacing didn't show up. So there is a correct way to do this, so your browser knows, hey, I want some extra spacing. And it is this right here. Alright, and if I just copy this and I paste it a few times, save and run, there we go. We have some extra spacing there. And what that's called, it's called a non-breaking space. But I would advise not using this. There is a way to do this indenting and spacing in CSS, and since this is formatting, that is the proper place to do it. If you can help it, you do not want to do this in HTML. But there it is, just in case you decide or need to know it. And there are a lot more of these special character entities. And if we switch over here to Firefox, and if we go to dev.w3.org/html5/author/character-ref, and there they are. As you can see, here's our ampersand sign, and underneath the ampersand sign it shows you a few of the ways you can display it. Ampersand sign AMP semicolon, ampersand sign capital AMP semicolon, and if you hover over it, it gives you a few more. And so all of these right here are special character entities that you can use. And I will link this in the description, and there are just a ton of them. So feel free to browse that and insert those anywhere in your web page as you feel you need to. Okay, well, this is Lavik with GeekDisorder. I hope you enjoyed our content. If you do like our content, please subscribe, like us, or even share us, comment. We welcome that, and I will see y'all next time.